Colourblocks!
Ah, there you are. Welcome to Purple's Mixing Factory! Today we're going to carry out some amazing colour mixes to see what we can make. There are colours all around us. They're right before our eyes. If you take two and mix them up, you're in for a surprise. Colour mixing, mixing colours, you can try it too. Choose two colours, mix them round, discover something new. Take red, like a strawberry, add yellow, all buttery. Stir them round, what have you found? It's orange!
Just like me!
Let's try another colour mix, a new surprise for you. Take two colours, mix them round, discover something new. Take yellow, like the sunshine, add blue, just like the sea. Stir them round, what have you found?
It's green, naturally!
Let's try another colour mix, a new surprise for you. Add two colours, mix them round, discover something new. Let's start with red, add some blue, then mix them in a vat. Stir them round, what have we found? Purple! Imagine that!
Remember, red and yellow, orange hat, yellow and
Blue,
green mat,
blue and...
red.
Purple cat! Now everybody stand and cheer. Our old friends black and white are here.
Yay!
Take any colour and add white. You'll turn that colour pale. That's light. Black has a different set of tricks, darkening colours when it's mixed. Take all the colours, bold and bright. Black makes them dark, white turns them light. Mix up black and white together. Get a shade like stormy weather, the colour of a rainy day. Black and white mixed to make grey.
Purple, I have a question.
OK, Red, ask away.
We've discovered how to mix to make orange and green and purple and light and dark colours and grey too. But what about me?
You?
Yes. How do you mix the colour red?
And me. How do you mix blue?
Oh, I really don't know.
We do!
It's the printing crew!
That's right. Cyan!
Magenta?
Yellow and black. We know how to mix lots and lots of colours.
Including red.
And blue!
Colour mixing, mixing colours with the printing crew. We can mix up lots and lots. We'll show you that it's true.
Let's take some magenta.
And yellow, such a bright thing.
Give it a stir and see what's there.
It's red! Ha! Exciting! Let's get racing with cyan!
Zoom in, magenta too. We'll mix a lot. What have we got?
You've made the colour blue. Cool.
I know blue and yellow can make green, but can the printing crew mix it?
If we take some yellow
And a touch of cyan!
stir them round, what have we found?
It's green, just like I am!
Wow,
we can make lots of colours.
And we can make even more!
You've watched our colour mixing. We've put on quite a show. Now it's your turn to mix it up. Go on, give